Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable and schedule always on display on your AMAZFIT Active Max. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into the settings. So press the button right up top here. Now you guys need to open up the settings. So the settings are here. And in those settings, we want to scroll down to display. Here, after we scroll a bit down, we have always on display, so click it. And here, if we want to enable it, we click right here. We also get a battery life warning because it drains our battery a bit faster, but there's no noticeable difference. You guys can go over, and if you want to schedule it, go over to enable method. Here in enable method, you will have something like manual, smart, or scheduled. So this is what we are interested in. Here we can change the start time for an example. So let it start at like 7 AM and let it stop at 6 PM. So now we get 11 hours of always on display, but after 6 PM it will turn off. So that's how you guys can do that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.